I'm going to teach you how to add a manager or admin to a Slack channel. Whether you're setting up your workspace for the first time or need to make changes to your existing team structure, understanding how to manage roles within Slack is essential. This can help you streamline communication and ensure that tasks and responsibilities are appropriately delegated within your team. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to click on your workspace name that's located in the top left corner of your Slack interface. This opens up a menu where you can find the option for settings and administration. From there, proceed to select Manage Members. This area allows you to handle all the user permissions and roles within your workspace. Once you have this open, locate the member you want to promote to a higher level of access, such as an admin. Find their name in the list, and next to it you'll see the More Actions menu, usually symbolized by 3 dots. Click on this to access the option to change their account type. Select Change Account Type and then choose Workspace Admin. By doing this, the member will obtain admin rights across all channels in the workspace. Keep in mind that the extent of their admin powers can vary depending on your specific workspace's permission settings. It's crucial to review these settings to ensure they align with your organizational needs and policies. Once you've established workspace admins, you might also want to assign specific roles within individual channels. To do this, open the desired channel and click on its name at the top of the page. This will present a drop-down menu. Select Settings, followed by Channel Managers. At this juncture, you'll see an option to add channel managers. Selecting this will allow you to choose the relevant team members to manage this specific channel. After making your selections, hit Save to confirm. Designated channel managers hold the authority to add or remove members from their channel, manage posting permissions, and update channel details like the name or description. They can also archive or unarchive their channel as needed. This functionality provides flexibility and ensures that your channel remains organized and up to date. Lastly, there might be times when you need to remove or demote someone from an admin or manager role. To handle this, if it pertains to workspace admins, return to the Manage Members section and simply change their role back to Member. For channel managers, just open the channel settings, go to Channel Managers, and remove them from the role. And there you have it, a straightforward guide on adding and managing admins and managers in Slack. This structure helps maintain an efficient workflow and allows you to distribute responsibilities smoothly across your team. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.